Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com, your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see here on our channel, our website, or our social media. It's in the description below, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. And today we're discussing a late 1980s Audemars Piguet Extra-Plat. Literally ultra thin and crafted from platinum, this is traditional men's dress watch elegance, the kind of watch that established AP's reputation as one leg of the Holy Trinity. Now, this particular element of the triad is exactly what the dial implies. Ultra thin, 4.8 millimeters thick with a domed sapphire. The watch measures 32 millimeters, which is traditional men's dress watch size, and from lug to lug, an ultra compact 33 millimeters with a spacing of 18 millimeters between the lugs. Now again, this is traditional sizing for a men's dress watch circa the mid 20th century, but if you are a lady and you're looking for a unisex option that is unarguably high horology, mechanical, and not diamond studded, this is going to be your option. The watch has immense presence and gravitas. That white and black sector style dial is fiercely traditional, but also forceful, popping against the wrist. The watch, so low it sits below my arm hair, will fit underneath any cuff. I will pronounce no lower limit of wrist size for wearing this watch well. Now the strap, as you can see, is an AP factory piece, and for this watch, it's a bonded strap, which means there's no stitching. It is ultra thin. It's medium rectangular scale alligator leather, high gloss black on the top, calfskin on the bottom. No gouging or crimping of the strap, it is brand new, and you can see there is a matching Audemars Piguet platinum pin buckle to accompany the timepiece. Old school means hallmarks on the lateral flanks of your watch, and that's exactly what you have here. That is the pre-1995 Ibex goat stamping rather than the Helvetic head that would come later, and you can see that the midcase is satin. The lugs are vertically satin finished and beautifully executed. You'll appreciate the fact that they are welded on. This is an artisanally crafted case, lugs and case built separate and then welded together. Simple, no nonsense, polished outer face with the crown, and then a minimalist bezel, framing a dial with quarter Roman numerals and a sector style, which is to say it has concentric rings that are broken up radially. The hands at center are crafted from white gold, but then black varnished to pop against the dial base for higher legibility. Turn it over, and this is where the action starts. This is, or at least it began life as Audemars Piguet caliber 2003, itself an elaboration of the Jaeger-LeCoultre 803 Abauche that was created in 1953 for Vacheron and Audemars Piguet. Audemars Piguet launched it in 1953 as the 2003. Vacheron launched it as the 1003 in its anniversary year of 1955. Vacheron still uses the 1003 and AP still uses the 2003. It is beautifully executed, but let's talk tech and spec first. 17 jewels, 5-position chronometer style adjustment. The movement is truly ultra thin at only 1.64 millimeters thick. It beats away at a stately and traditional 18,000 vibrations per hour, and it has a 36-hour manual wind power reserve. You can see that every bridge here has been freehand engraved with a burin. You'll also note old school, the D series serial number as well as the individual series number within the model class, hand engraved on the case back, not executed mechanically. The movement is gorgeous with rose gold gilding, and as you can see, plenty of black polished screws, a black polished regulator and cap for the balance, and then you can see there is a black polished click and click spring with a dramatic hand-laid solarization of the ratchet wheel. This is a gorgeous movement, traditionally finished, and for under $10,000 you will not find more elaborately, beautifully, or excruciatingly artisanal finish on any competing or comparable watch. This is both a vintage timepiece and a modern masterpiece at the same time, and I say that because the late 80s is still my lifetime and I don't want to make myself an antique. 20 meters water resistant, but then again, you're not going to get it wet or we can't be friends. This is a timepiece for all time. Email tmosso@thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details.